Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this JCB machine over here. So let's continue it. I'll slightly just push it a bit inside over here to give it a curved look a bit. So now let's go over here and let's start working with this back side part. So for that I'll just go into this view over here. So this is a bit more complicated, you need some more references. So we'll try to model this. So let's just take a box over here, make a shape. I'll just push this till here, over here. So convert to editable poly. I'll select the vertices. I'll slightly just shuffle it inside over here. Select this polygons. Now what I can do over here is like I'll slightly give inset, or I'll slightly just bevel it if required. Push it a bit inside. So let's go to the top view over here. And now what I can do over here is like I'll just take a circle. Let's take a circle, drag this over here, take a rectangle in this way, convert to editable spline, select this, make it as corner, select this, push this over here, attach it over here, select the spline and boolean and just join this. Let's go into this and let's give a modifier called extrude over here. So I'll just make sure I'll just put it over here in this way. Now after that, the main stuff is like I'll again convert to editable poly. Again I'll go over here, right click and let's use a bit of cut over here. That's it. So select this polygons and slightly just extrude it down, click OK, and now again I'll duplicate it. I'll just duplicate this down over here. So as you can see over here, I have just duplicated this part, and now over here, so now what I'll be doing over here is like definitely we'll be doing the details slowly over here. So again we have something over here. So let's again take a cylindrical part. I'll just activate this over here like this, slightly just push it inside, convert to editable poly, shuffle it a bit inside, right click and let's use a bit of cut over here. So let's just use a cut over here. select this polygons, slightly just shuffle it out. Again use a cut over here. Join this. So select this, this. Slightly shuffle it inside and this. So again I'll just duplicate it. Push this down over here. So again I'll go over here. I'll just take a line tool. I'll off this auto grid. So I'll just place it. I'll slightly rotate it. And I'll just place it over here. Select the vertices. Enable in viewport. Increase the thickness. Now I'll again go over here and let's give a bit of fillet. Again I'll just make a copy of it. I'll slightly scale this if required, and this way. I'll just save this again. Again, let's take one more copy of it, but I'll just slightly make it very small over here till here, like this. So again go over here, go to the top view, again take a line, drag it in this way. So again go into this and give a extrude modifier. Just push it down over here and this way. Select the vertices, slightly just push it inside. Again go over here, save the file once, and let's take a cylinder. So push this a bit here. So take a cylinder, auto grid it, drag it up, reduce the sides and slightly just push this down and duplicate it. Drag it here. Now what I can do over here is like, so there are multiple things over here. So before that we need to model this part. How you can model this is like, let's go to the top view over here. Let's take a line like this. So I can slightly just scale this and convert to editable spline, select the vertices and slightly give a bit of fillet. So once you have assigned this fillet stuff, so again I'll go into this, enabling viewport and make it as rectangular and shuffle this up. So if you see over here, this is going to be connected from here till here, so it's going to be a bit bigger. So again I'll go into the vertices, I'll slightly just push it in this way and increase the size, increase this, drag it till here. So convert to editable poly if required. Before that I can just off this, because if you do it, it's going to extrude it directly. So I think we need to model this separately, or we can just extrude it from here. That could be much better. So I'll just convert to editable poly. I'll just push this a bit down. I'll go to the top view. I'll just push it in this way. Again I'll select these edges. Again connect this. So I can just make sure that I'll try to make this more round. This is going to be a bit more complicated. So again over here I'll just select this edge and this edge. I'll slightly give a bit of chamfer. Save your file. So I'll just assign a color from here. So we have some minute details. So let's again go over here, select this edge. So before we move further, push it out, select this edge and let's put one connect. So before we put a connect, select this edge and this edge and slightly give a bit of chamfer and again give a bit of connect. Now just save your file. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So definitely this is going to take a long time for the detailing this stuff. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.